This is the Men of High Value channel. My name is Joseph Darling. Today I'm bringing you the simple explanation of sex transmutation that you won't find anywhere else. It is two different parts. One is semen retention. What is semen retention? It is basically you managing to retain your ejaculation, okay? Or in other words, retain your sperm, your seed, your life force, in order for you to direct it towards better ends than chasing after women or ejaculating to porn. Semen retention has intense benefits to them. If you do not understand what semen retention can do for you, I highly suggest subscribing to this channel and watching the semen retention videos that I've got on this channel, because I got loads of information on that. These things will help you to become obsessed, okay? Semen retention is designed for you to become obsessed. You're already obsessed, okay, when you're not on semen retention, but you'll be obsessed with the wrong things. You'll be hypersexualized, which means that you'll be focused on things of a physical nature, things that are right here, right now, the flesh, women, all that crap, okay? Now, women are absolutely wonderful, but only as a reward when you've done something worthwhile. Okay, if you receive women without having done anything worthwhile, you're part of destroying society, to keep it simple. Okay, you want to be able to have a family in the future and earn the respect and the love and the adoration of women that you're committed to for life as a natural result of you actually having put in the work and done what you needed to do in order to achieve great things, solving problems for society, etc. The number one aspect is practicing SR, and that's completely necessary for the aspect of sex transmutation. Without SR, you can't do sex transmutation. Number two, what is the second thing? You had the obsession in the past. Now you're going to become actually even more obsessed, okay? But the difference is if you're able to control your thoughts and move them towards your goals instead. Because in the past, you were thinking about sex a lot, right? Because you were ejaculating, you needed to ejaculate again and again and again. Once you're retaining your sperm and you can't control your thoughts yet, you're still going to be thinking about sex. Okay, so it's a problem. But the longer you practice SR, the less you're going to need sex, the less you're going to need women in general. Now, they're great to have in the future, as said before. But for now, we just simply want to become masters of our own selves, master of our destiny, and captains of our own ships. If you're able to practice SR for an extended period of time, then you're going to be able to tap into being obsessed about your goals. You need to set big goals. Now, this is a very interesting thing, because in order for you to practice SR, you need to be busy with other things. Like, I've spoken to so many people who are trying to live, the semen retention lifestyle and are simply not able to do it because they're doing it while being at home and not putting in tons of effort in something. So literally, they're obsessed, but they're not obsessed about anything. So obviously their bodies are going to be obsessed about sex instead, and women. And how are you going to practice SR for an extended period of time if that's what you only think about? Okay, you're not. So this is why they continuously fail. If you work these two things in tandem, that's when both things become successful. You're able to now funnel that obsession that you had about sex in the past into your goals. So these in the beginning should probably be financial goals, fitness goals, or whatever else goals to build up the foundation in your life so that you can have the relationships of your dreams in the future. Okay? So there are two parts to sex transmutation. The one aspect is practicing semen retention, of retaining your seed. And number two is putting in a massive work ethic to achieve your goals. You can't be obsessed about your goals if you're working 4 hours a day. You can't be obsessed about your goals if you're working 8 hours a day. You got 16 awake hours every single day. Use at least 12 of them to put in massive efforts towards your goals. If you do that, you're practicing sex transmutation properly and you're on your way to massive exponential growth and success. This is the Men of High Value channel. My name is Joseph Darling. I'll see you guys in the next one.